Look at your computer. It feels solid, right? You probably think the most fragile part is the glass panel or the fans. You're wrong. The most dangerous component in your system is the one you trust the most, your SSD. For years, we were told that SSDs are the ultimate storage. No moving parts, no mechanical failure. But in 2026, something changed. The industry hit a wall. To keep the prices high and the profits growing, they started doing something disgusting. They started selling us disposable storage under the guise of high-end tech. If you bought a drive in the last 6 months, there is a high chance it's a ticking time bomb. And the worst part? You paid a premium for it. Steve from Gamers Nexus recently dropped a 27-minute bomb about this. He proved what many of us suspected, the bait and switch. Here is how it works. A big brand sends a sample to a reviewer. It has a high-end controller and top-tier NAND flash memory. It gets 5-star reviews. Then, 3 months later, they quietly change the internals. They swap the fast controller for a cheap, generic one. They replace the durable memory with low-grade chips that fail twice as fast. They don't change the box. They don't change the price. They just change the quality. It's like buying a Ferrari and finding a lawnmower engine under the hood when you get home. It's not just a marketing mistake, it's a calculated robbery of the consumer's trust. One of you left a comment on my last video that I can't stop thinking about. You called modern hardware a luxury minibus with a moped engine. That is the perfect description for a Gen 5 SSD. Manufacturers are obsessed with numbers. They put massive, glowing heat sinks on these drives. They shout about 12,000 megabytes per second speeds. But here is the truth. Those speeds only last for a few seconds. As soon as the tiny, cheap cache fills up, the drive chokes. It slows down to the speed of a hard drive from 2010. They are selling you a sprint, but your data needs a marathon. These drives run so hot, they literally cook themselves. You aren't buying performance. You are buying a fire hazard wrapped in RGB plastic. Why is this happening now? The economy of desperation. NAND flash prices have skyrocketed. Instead of being honest and raising prices, corporations decided to lower the standards. We are living in an era where refurbished enterprise drives from 5 years ago are actually more reliable than brand new consumer drives today. Think about that. A used piece of server equipment is safer for your family photos than a new $300 Samsung or Western Digital. The industry wants you to treat storage like a subscription. They want your drive to die every 3 years, so you have to come back and buy the new generation. They don't want you to own a tool, they want you to rent a service. So, what do? Do we stop buying SSDs? No, we stop buying the hype. First, stop chasing Gen 5. You don't need it. Your games don't need it. Your OS doesn't need it. Gen 3 and Gen 4 Pro models from the older era are made of better materials and will outlive anything released this year. Second, look for the metal. In the world of Pixel PC, we value engineering over aesthetics. Seek out drives with a proven track record, not the ones with the brightest lights on the box. And finally, support the truth. The reason I make these videos on a mobile phone, saving every dollar for a real workstation, is because I refuse to be part of the plastic cycle. I want to build something that lasts, and I want you to do the same. The hardware industry is lying to you, but they can only win if you stay quiet. Check your drives, back up your data, and don't fall for the plastic trap. This is Pixel PC. Thanks for being part of the journey. I'll see you in the next one.